I've came a long way. I'm proud of myself. I'm looking at my boy in the ultrasound, just in awe about how a human being can be created. It's crazy to think about, but even more surreal to see. Hearing his heartbeat, feeling his kicks, I can't help but think, what happens? Parents are so excited, families are so eager, they tell everybody, they post every 2 days. Parents vow to raise their kids better than they were raised. Parents promise to give their kid all their love and do the best they can. They brag about how special their kid is, how they're smart, driven, ambitious, creative, athletic, and how they're gonna change the world. Age 3, 4, 5, they're filled with life, curiosity, and creativity. But at some point, we lose most kids to mediocrity. And at some point, they replace curiosity with fear and optimism with playing it safe. They replace their dreams with 9 to 5s, and they trade their ambitions for security. What happens? At what point or what age do we start to fit in versus stand out? At what age do we lose our true, authentic self? Where do people choose the safe route instead of really going after their dream? Is it the broken school systems, the fake news, bad parenting, old philosophies? I don't know, but I can't get these thoughts out of my head. To find out the bright future we were all promised is a lie is disheartening. And a lot of young people ultimately give up on the systems and end up drifting aimlessly through life. People are losing purpose, and people who lose purpose replace it with drama and tearing others down. Somebody has to take a stand and say enough is enough. It's so crazy to me to see the magic of a newborn turned into a frustrated adult. Forget the system. It's time to create our own. Let's raise the next generation of kids to think independently, and let's raise them to stay curious, to take risks, and to lead instead of follow. I know it starts with me and my family, and I promise I'll lead the way. I just can't help but think these thoughts. My motivation's different now. It's not about just me anymore. The reasonable man adapts himself to the world. The unreasonable one persists in trying to adapt the world to himself. Therefore, all progress depends on the unreasonable man.